Unfortunately, the camera is too close to the album to show the whole thing, but I'll move it up and down so that you can see what I'm talking about. Now, these I've used Kaiser Crafts All Aboard, I think the range is, throughout the whole album, and these are from the embellishments kit. This is just some black cardstock that I have cut with a die and put on there. I've put a couple of pieces of paper, and these little strips here are the little strips from the bottom, the branding strips. And this piece here, I've actually included the branding strip in the piece of paper that I've attached to the front of the book. Inside the front cover, I've just covered it with this sheet of lovely paper, and then I've made a pocket here that I haven't put any photo mats in because I plan on using that for ephemera, any of my souvenirs and things that I pick up along the way. This is just a piece of pattern paper that I've cut. This is from the embellishments pack, both of those. Now this first page, all of the pages in this album are very interactive. The Scrap Queen does a lot of pages where there is a lot of activity. This first front area here is just some embellishments from the embellishments kit. This is a little booklet that opens out to take photos and a photo on the back. I haven't counted up how many photos this album will hold, but I think it will hold more than enough for me. I'm planning on using this for my next holiday, which I think will be to Egypt. So there's a photo mat there, which slides in there, and the same for this one here. So mat on the back, and that slides into that little slot there. So this is like a triple belly band. Behind here we have another large photo mat. I haven't bothered to put white photos on the mats on the back. I'll do that when the time comes for actually making the photos. Each of the pages is like a folio, and they each have one of these large photo mats inside with some white mats on the back. So that's in every one of these pages. There are the four pages you can see there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now when we open this up, this page here, it's closed using magnets, and that flips up, that flips down. Photos here, photos in the top section, and here we have some little flip books. So we open that out, it's got room for 1, 2, 3, 4 photos, and more photos back here of course. And this one here is the same, that opens out the same way. And they're held in place with this, as I said, this magnetised closure. This page here is tied with a bow. It's got a large photo mat here. It opens like that to allow 4 more photos. You really lose the effect of that here. That one, this one flips up for 4 more photos. So it holds quite a few photos in that section. Then we have another pocket that's got another photo mat in it. And then of course the large photo mat in the background in the actual file. This page here is once again held closed with magnets. It's made with envelopes, and each one holds a photo mat. So one flips down, that one flips out, and of course there's the photo mat in there. Yes, there it is. Might put pull tags on that. This one flips up and the tag comes out this side. And then this one opens out as well. So you can see there's plenty of room for photos in that one as well. Now this page here, this is made with clear photo protector sheets. It's held this is a photo mat in there, so when you attach your photos they'll stand out nicely on that. Then using these metallic pieces that swivel on a brad, that opens out, and we've got 3 pockets here. Hers actually had 4 pockets, but I measured mine wrong, so it's different. But no mistakes, they say. Once again, another large mat in there. This one here has got a magnetic closure here, and then this is a clear flip pocket, just using a photo divider. Then this page here is just decorated with just strips of scrap paper and more photos there. Photos, photos, photos. So plenty of photos. This one here is a real trick page. It's got a large mat behind it there. To open this you need, this opens out into a flip like that. And then this opens out into a flip like that. And then you can also open this, and I can never remember which way to do it. These all flip over like this. And then that opens like that. So by folding those flip bits out, it's what actually holds this whole thing shut. So that holds that shut. And once again, I've actually got 2 photo mats in that one. And then the last interactive page is held closed by a magnetic closure, and when you open it up, when you open that up, it's a bit hard to see it, but that springs open, and you've got pockets here for photos and a big pocket here for photos. Then when you close that up, you've got room here for photos once again, and a magnetic closure. On the back cover, I've done the same as the front. I've put a large pocket there, with just decorated with some pattern paper, some black cardstock and some of the ephemera. And these little things are cut out of this paper here that I used on the background. There was some left over. I had 2 sheets of it anyway. So I've just cut them out and used them as embellishments. So that is the whole album. It's very large, and I must endeavour to count up how many actual photos it holds. Well, if you enjoyed this album, check out Scrap Queen. She's got lots and lots and lots of albums on her YouTube channel, and I watch her quite often. Okay, thanks for watching.